In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in Interactive Brokers. If you're wondering where leverage is controlled in your IBKR account, the key is your account type. A cash account doesn't allow borrowing, a margin account enables standard borrowing under Regulation T, and a portfolio margin account uses risk-based calculations that can allow higher effective leverage if you qualify. You can also fine-tune leverage behavior on specific products within your trading platforms. But today, we'll focus on changing your account type inside the client portal. Start by signing into the client portal and opening the positions page from the home dashboard. This simply confirms you're in the right place to access your account configuration. Next, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon to open your user menu. From there, choose Settings to access your account configuration options. Inside Settings, find and select Account Type. This section shows your current setup and what upgrades or changes are available to you based on your region, trading permissions, and eligibility. Click the Choose One control to open the list of available account types. Now select the level of margin you want. If you're moving from cash to margin, choose the margin option to enable borrowing against your portfolio. If you're aiming for portfolio margin, remember that this requires a minimum net liquidation value of 110,000 US dollars and typically approval to trade options, along with other suitability requirements. After you make your selection, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked to acknowledge risk disclosures, confirm your trading experience, or review your permissions. Take a moment to read these. Margin amplifies both gains and losses, and understanding your obligations helps you manage risk responsibly. When you're ready, click Continue to submit the change. In many cases, a switch to a standard margin account is processed quickly. Portfolio margin may require additional review and can take longer. If the update doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page, logging out and back in, or checking again later. Some updates finalize on the next business day. A few practical tips as you wrap up. Leverage limits vary by product, currency, and regulatory rules, so the maximum you see can differ between stocks, options, and futures. If you choose portfolio margin, maintain the required net liquidation value. Falling below it can change how your margin is calculated. And before placing larger trades, use IBKR's risk tools to preview margin impact so you know where your maintenance requirements will land. That's it. You've changed your leverage by updating your account type in Interactive Brokers.